provider to his family, and help support relatives. A loyal, hardworking employee. Oh, what a life. Oh, what an employee. He was called to serve the Lord with all his mind, heart, and body, who became leader in the church, AC, administrative chairperson of the church here in the Mighty Entry, board member of the Mighty Church. He was called to serve the community, the Maribataan. He became a barangay councilor in Davao, town councilor, who served many years under different leaders, who served the Limayan till the end with utmost effort, with dignity. Oh, what a life, what a servant. He was a Mother Earth advocate who loved gardening as his hobby from daylight to sundown. Oh, what a life, what an environmentalist. He was a man who loved each member of his family, his wife's family unconditionally. He was a man with principles. He was a man who led by example. He was a man of virtue who was blessed by God. Oh, what a life, what a man.
Ngayon po ay pakinggan natin ang mensahe ng awit at pagkatapos po nito ay babasahin sa ating ang salita ng buhay at papapatuloy po sa pagpapahayag ng mensahe si Reverend Regalado Rodriguez.